In today's video, we're going to be improving the cab light on this 4th gen Ram, so let's get started. All right, welcome back to today's video, guys. So yes, we're gonna be putting an LED cab light on this 4th gen Ram 1500. Since this thing is an absolute base model, I don't even have the map lights. So we need all the help we can get. I really need this cab light to be bright as possible. It really doesn't do a whole lot. Of course, we're daytime right now, but that's the light output we're getting. I wanna show you guys how to install an LED. It's gonna be super bright, way brighter than that, for very cheap. You can get a whole pack of them for under $10. So I wanna show you guys how to do it during the day. We'll compare the stock one to the one we're gonna put in, and then you guys can tell me which one you guys like better. Okay, so to get the bulb out, you're gonna see a little slot right here where you can stick a flat screwdriver. It's gonna pop out this plastic lens. You want to do it right here where it's made for it, just so you don't mark things up, because nobody likes to do that. And then all of a sudden she opens up and you'll see this tube style bulb here. It's going to be hot since it's on, so let's turn it off. So while that guy cools off, let me show you guys the LED kit that we're going to put in. So here it is, you guys. I've already used up most of these. If you guys haven't seen my LED map light video, go check it out. I'll link it above here and down in the description. If you guys have the map lights like the overhead console and you want to do those as well, we have replaced those, and that's why I have this kit, but I only have one left because we've already used a bunch of them. So you're gonna see a bunch of different style ones, like the little peanut bulb style ones, the 194 style, but the one we're gonna want to use is this little spring-loaded guy, because this is gonna go in place of that tube style bulb. And then here is our LED panel, and what we essentially do is we plug this in to here, your adapter, whatever appropriate adapter that you want, you just plug it in. And then this has 3M backing. We take this off, we stick it inside, hide the wires, and Bob's your uncle. So first things first, I'm gonna pop out this bulb. I'm just gonna pry this guy out, and there's the stock bulb. Here's the two to compare, so you can see we're just gonna pop this in place. So you might have to squeeze the prongs a little bit just to make a tighter contact on this, but it does still fit. Like so. And then now that it's attached, you might turn it on and find out it doesn't work. So let me turn it on, hit the switch, see if we got lucky. You got a 50% chance. So I turn the switch on, it doesn't work. So what you do is you unplug this, flip it 180 degrees, and then plug it in. We're just switching the polarity so that the LEDs can actually work, and you can see how crazy bright that is. So let me turn it off for a second so we can mount this, and it's up to you where you want to put it. So I'm gonna go ahead, hide the wires, find a nice place to mount this. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably use a double-side tape and adhere it right there, and then you can close it up like so. But I don't want to permanently mount it because of course I want to show you guys how it looks, but it's behind the lens. Let me hit the light so you guys can see what we got. So definitely gonna be a lot brighter, but I'll do the comparison once the sun goes down and you guys can be the judge. Okay guys, so as promised, here we are at nighttime. Cannot see anything. I just popped in the stock bulb just so I could show you guys what kind of lighting we have with the stock bulb. So I'll turn it on. There you can see the stock halogen bulb, not all that bright. And if I pop the door open, so that's how she looks when I'm out of the vehicle. Like I said, not the greatest, can't really see a whole lot. Definitely can't even see by your feet or anything, or down anywhere. So let's go ahead, we'll pop our LED back on and show you guys the difference. Bam, there we are with the LED, you guys. Much brighter. And if I step out here, I think you guys would agree. I guess, you know, technically we can't really, it's not like this light is magically gonna, you know, go through our seat and stuff like that. So we're still dealing with a bunch of shadows since we just have that one light, but that one light is putting in a lot more work than that little halogen bulb was. So I think it looks pretty decent. It's definitely an improvement, but there you go. There's the true comparison. And I think it's definitely better this way. Check out from the outside too, you guys. This thing is lit up like a candle inside of that truck. All right, guys, so that's it. Very simple, very straightforward. There is a couple other options. Comment down below if you guys want me to test them, but I'll link them so you guys can check them out at the same time. There's some that have more LEDs, like a ton of chips. You can also get ones that have the full LED panel that's already attached to this like type of tube style bulb, so you don't have to mess with trying to, you know, double-sided tape it somewhere. But this is just what I had handy. Comment down below if you guys want me to review one of those. Like I said, I'll link those options down below for you guys if you want to just skip to one of those. Either way, I think you guys should check out grabbing, you know, a set of these for your vehicle, because it makes a huge difference. But let me know what you guys think down below. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more LED videos for these trucks, like I said, check out more on these channel, and I'll throw a few down in the comments section down below for you guys. So thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.